Mission Echo, time 1955 Zulu, wind 260 at 8, gust 14, visibility 10. Few clouds at 3,700, 20,000 scattered. Temperature 19er, dew point 7, altimeter 29er, 96. Localizer Delta and visual approaches in use. Landing and departing runways 27 left and 27 right. Notice the airman in use. Caution for personal equipment nearest taxiway Bravo. That's it for the
Galaxy Ground Cessna 73, Quebec Alpha, requesting taxi from CFA to 27 right with information echo.
Cessna 73, Quebec Alpha, Galaxy Ground, runway 27 right, taxi via Delta, cross runway 35.
Taxi via Delta, cross runway 35 to 27 right, 73, Quebec Alpha. Add flight controls.
Ground 33 Alpha 11.
3.
4.
So we'll be right the wind departure. Always, okay. Galaxy Tower Cessna 73, Quebec Alpha, holding short 27 right, requesting right the wind departure.
Cessna 73, Quebec Alpha, Gillespie Tower, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, 73 Quebec Alpha.
Tower 94 Delta is a beam. Cessna 94 Delta, runway 27 right, clear touch and go. 27 right, clear touch and go, 94 Delta.
Ramona Tower, Cessna 73, Quebec Alpha, 3,600 over Barona Casino, requesting northbound transition.
Cessna 73, Quebec Alpha, Ramona Tower, transition approved at about 3,500, altimeter 2994.
Okay, and transition, what do we gotta do? Alright.
This is how I show my love. I'm waiting in my mind because I'm blaming on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel cries. I'm blaming on my own surprise. Blaming on my ADD.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Raise it, raise it, raise it, raise it. Good, perfect, perfect.
Maybe I should cry for help. Maybe I should